Wait. Claude Code now has cron, as in, you schedule a Claude session, walk away, and it runs without you. This shipped a few days ago, and honestly, it changes how you'd use this tool. It's called routines. And the bit that flipped it for me, your laptop can be shut. The session runs on Anthropic's cloud, not your machine. You configure a prompt once, attach a trigger, and Claude just goes. Hourly, nightly, after a deploy, on every new pull request. Whatever you wire up, straight from the official docs. The session keeps working when your laptop is closed. No server, no cron job, no machine sitting hot in a corner. You get 3 trigger types, and you can stack them on one routine. First, schedule. Hourly, nightly, weekly, or a single one-off at a future timestamp. Second, an API trigger. The routine gets its own HTTP endpoint. You hit it with a bearer token from anywhere, a CI step, a monitoring alert, a Zapier zap, and it kicks off. Third, GitHub. The routine reacts to repo events. A new pull request opened, run. A push to main, run. One routine can have all 3 triggers active at the same time. Here's the one I think will spread fastest. A bespoke code review routine. GitHub trigger fires on a new pull request. The routine pulls down the PR, runs your team's actual review checklist, leaves inline comments for security, performance, style. Then it posts a summary at the top so the human reviewer focuses on architecture, not the mechanical stuff. It runs while you sleep. By the time you sit down with coffee, half the review is already there in the comments. Or this one, deploy verification. Your CD pipeline calls the routine's endpoint right after a production deploy. The routine pulls the latest build, runs smoke checks against it, scans error logs for fresh regressions, then posts a go or no-go to the release channel. Before the deploy window closes, the on-call person is not sitting there refreshing a dashboard at midnight. Claude already filed the report. 2 ways to make one. From the web, you visit the routines page in your Claude account, name it, write a prompt, pick a repo, pick a trigger, hit create. Or from the CLI, you type the / command for scheduling right inside any Claude Code session, and you describe the thing in plain English. Claude figures out the schedule for you. A few caveats. This is a research preview. The surface can still change. You need Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. Each run counts against your daily allowance, and every action the routine takes is signed by you, your GitHub, your Slack, your Linear. So scope the prompt tight. We're going deep on Claude. Grow with us. Like, subscribe, comment what you think.